Welcome to part 1 of Whittier and Arrows. Yeah, that first part was just a trailer. So yeah, here's the type of birds you can see that live here. These two. There's more types of birds, but I'll show you right now. I just want to show you guys this because I know a lot of you guys like to read these. Or you guys can read them yourself if you guys want to come here. And then here's a picture of the Walnut Creek. Here's another picture of the willows and antinum. Sorry, I can't say that right. Here's another picture of drop structures phase. Here's another picture of that. That's all that's here. Well, not all of it, but most of it that's here. Never seen these parts. You guys can read that if you want. Here's all the reptiles. Kingdom of animals. Sorry if that's a little blurry. Yeah, I don't know how to fix that. Sorry. Right. Here, you can fix it. Hey, there you go. Classifications. You guys can read that if you want. Then here's the animals, the lizards. What this type of lizards do. And here's that lizard. Not gonna get too much into reading all these. Get to the main good parts. And now here are the ores, I think, or jewels you can find here. I wouldn't consider mining here though. I'm not that good with ores, I'm not that sciencey, sorry. So if you guys could tell me what they are, that'd be very nice. There's a gopher snake. Wait, yeah, gopher snake. Sorry. Here's how the frog's life cycle is. There's a common king snake. Those are the dinosaurs. How life started from land to that. Here's other birds you can see. At this Whittier and Arrows, which I highly recommend that you guys come here because it's a really fun place. It's not too big and it's not too small, it's just perfect. Hopefully you guys saw that. If you guys did. Here's some other ones that you can see. There's an owl. Scurb jay. Oh, I thought that was a blue jay.
Hey bud, how you doing?
Okay.
Here's some resident birds that you would normally see. Yeah, resident birds. And then here's some bird adaptations. What their beaks are for, and feet. Alright. Here's the rest of that. Then here's that. Can't pronounce that right, sorry. Coyote. Gray fox. Then that mouse and beetle. Yeah, it's beetle. Meadow mouse. Can't say that right. Gopher, little brown bats, and a bird skeleton. You can see all these here. Here's the animals. But yeah, and part 2 is gonna be the trail when we go hiking. It's not that long, but not that short. You guys will enjoy it. And here's other birds you can see. Here are the plants that you could find here. Like animals. There's a bigger sign outside that you guys can see. Now let's make our way over here. See the California king snake. There he is, little buddy. And then here's a frog. Small one. I don't know if there's anything in there. Oh, there is. Hello. And there's another lizard. And here's another snake. I think it's king snake still. And here's a gopher snake. He's all the way back there. Can't show you a good video of him. And oh, here's the rest of that snake. There's southern alligator lizard. And he is right there. Let me try to zoom in. Right there. And then here's a rosy boa. Beautiful, 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 beautiful snake. I do not know what exactly lives here. I don't know if I can show you guys a good shot. Nope. Yeah, sorry about that. I can't show you that. Of course, tarantula. Small one.
When you go up there, don't forget that golf bag.
Then here's a common California king snake. Look at how big he is. It's a big snake. Alright, here's some more animals you can see here. Red-tailed hawk. There's some other birds. Owl, of course. Barn owl, sorry. Then a bobcat. Wow. Tiny tail. Sad. And then here we go. Mule deer, that's how they poop. Yeah, I know you guys don't want to see that, but some people like to see that. Huh. Early California Rancho. You guys just smell Mexican. You guys can read that if you like. And here's some other things you can see here. I do not know what that is. I think it's one of the oars. Here's the bones. I don't know what exact bone that is. Here's the hawk's feather. Yeah, sorry. Some snake. Snake skin. An even bigger snake skin. Let me show you. Look how big that is. Deer's jaw. And then even smaller deer's jaw. This one has different teeth. It's cool. I don't know why I'm touching this, but I don't know what that is. But yeah. I think this is, I don't know what the heck that is, sorry. There's some more ore. I think it's ore if I'm saying it right. You guys can tell me in the comments below if I'm saying it right. So yeah. I think you guys will be very interested in part 2. The hiking trail. I don't know if I could get all of this footage. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Turkey vulture. And some tea. It's gray wolf, black bear. Oh, and a crane, if I'm saying it right. And then another bobcat with the bird in his mouth. And then thousands and thousands and thousands of eggs. Actually, yeah, 200 eggs. Great horned owl. Barn owl. And red-tailed hawk. Daytime, nighttime animals. This is the daytime animals that you will see in the day. Cougar, puma, mountain lion. Well, yeah, basically mountain lion. There's your doo-doo. You would see if you see him. I see that doo-doo a lot on the trail, so I think, yeah. Coyote. That's a bobcat. Bob. I know, this is a little museum. Hopefully it's not that boring for you guys. I don't think it is. There's skunks here. Oh my god. I never even knew there were skunks here. Well, you just gotta be daring. There's that. There's a nest. I don't want to open it. I don't know if I can. Here's a hummingbird's nest. Sorry, got a little shell. Small. They only lay one egg. They only live 3 months. So yeah, they have to grow fast. Honeybee. That's a honeybee hive. Sorry about the blur. Yeah, it's a honeybee still, I think. Yeah. Carpenter bee. It's up there. Hive looks like. They just dig a little hole right there and go inside and live in. Yellow jacket. That's how a real yellow jacket looks like. A lot of people say these are the yellow jackets, but no. These are the paper wasps. And that's the yellow jacket. There's their nests that they make. And actually, in the United States, sometimes we use the paper wasp nests as paper. So yeah, a little fact. Here's mud. Can't say the last name right. Dorper. I don't know. Dober. I don't know. If you guys could tell me how to pronounce that, that would be very helpful. I see those a lot. Those are the pesky wasps that make mud houses. Yeah. And that's it for part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned for part 2. Bye-bye.